it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because it's time for another FabFitFun unboxing. If you don't know, I'm sure everyone knows, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, so it comes 4 times a year, and the normal retail is $50 a box, so spring, winter, summer, fall, you get a box. I pay for a year-long subscription, so I think mine's like $180 for all 4 boxes instead of $200. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, so I mean I get $5 off a box. Yeah. So my boxes are $45. Anyway, we're gonna peek into this and see if it's worth $45, and then at the end I'm gonna go through all my add-ons and we'll see what I got from that. Oh Lord. Okay, you know what? To save time real quick, I'm going to unwrap everything and then we'll go through it all. Be right back. Okay, I don't know how well you can see all this, but everything's unwrapped. This is what it's looking like. Every season comes with a different little like magazine. Maria Shriver is on the cover for the winter edition. I really don't read these, but I will be going through to just show you what I picked out. Oh boy. So since I'm seasonal, I think I get to make 4 choices, maybe 5. I don't know, I get to pick like 4 or 5 things that I want in my box out of like 3 to 4 items, something like that. Man, I'm such a good influencer. All right, let's start with the first thing. I could have got, what is that? A clay mask, a hat and like glove set, or I got the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I don't know if this is for face or body. It's Kate Somerville, I would assume face. I hope it's for face. But the description, okay, so she said, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. Makes it sound like it's for the body. God, I hope not. Oh. Okay, it doesn't really smell like too much. Super thin, lightweight. This would be something I would use for daytime if it does go on my face. If it goes on my body, it'd be a good tattoo cream. I don't know. It says the retail on this bad boy is $65, so worth more than the box. Would I pay that for it? No. I mean, I don't know how it works yet. It could be the best thing I've ever used, but no, that's expensive. All right, next. This one really confuses me, guys. So there was like a shampoo conditioner set. Wouldn't have gotten that. Some Lash MD thing. Nope. Candle. Maybe. Throw blanket. Probably. Or slippers. I don't remember choosing these. Truly, I don't. This is not, I don't wear slippers ever. I'm gonna put them on, but I don't wear them. Oh, while I'm putting them on, a few disclaimers. 1, my nails are trash. Sorry, we just got back in town last night from vacation. 2, having a very bad makeup and hair day. It was one of those things where I did my eye makeup, hated it, wiped it off, did a whole different look, hated it, kept it on because ain't nobody got time to do 3 eye looks. And, 3, my lighting. I'm trying to fix it. Ever since I got my new phone, my lighting's been dark. I don't know what's wrong. It's annoying me. Bear with me. Thanks. Back to the slippers. So the brand is PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. They retail for $45. There's no fucking way. Do people really pay that for slippers? Honestly, like, I don't know. I don't wear them. I think slippers should be like $5. Who wears slippers? Right there, there's my little Tootsie. This faux fur is gonna get molted when my feet start to sweat. That's not gonna be cute. Moving right along, so next up, I could have gotten a pair of Baddington lashes. I've had them before, I don't like them. A face and eye mask set, didn't want it. Soft Focus Glow Drops, that sounds pretty good. Or this bracelet by Adore by Swarovski, Organic Circle Bracelet in rose gold. I don't wear jewelry, really. I wear my ring, sometimes studs, rarely a necklace, never a bracelet. So was I drunk or was I drunk? Slippers and a bracelet. Who is she? She's not me. I don't know where she went. It still has plastic on it, but for the sake of time, it's got like one little diamond thing. And then it's just like a rose gold circle. Yeah, there's that. And the retail on this, $39, which I would never spend on a bracelet, period, but there's that. What the fuck? I was drunk. All right, next. I could have gotten a melt. The fuck? Face melt? Lotion melt? I don't know. Crossbody bag, not my thing. I don't carry a purse. A floral planner. I'm definitely not a planner. Didn't need one of those. So yeah, I chose the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Super cute packaging. I'll be honest, I've never used Beauty Bakery. No shade, I just haven't had the chance to try their products. Honestly, looking at this color story, I don't think this is gonna be the first product I try from them. It's cute enough, but it's super basic, and if I'm being real with myself, one of my goals is for eyeshadow palettes moving forward, not to just open something that I'm gonna use like once. I'm really trying to curate my collection, and unfortunately this just doesn't do it for me. So I'll probably like gift it or do something, but I mean, it's cute. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't want it. And it retails for $38, which, I mean, it's a decent price. It's an indie brand, so I get the higher pricing. Yeah, but it's a no for me. Was that it for my choices? No, I got one more choice. Okay, so I could have gotten a Frank Body Coffee Scrub, a Veramona Color Switch, or this bag of Ahava Dead Sea Salt, bath salts. I'm a bath girl. This is perfect for me. I love taking baths. This just made the most sense out of the choices. This retails for $16. I think that's fair. I mean, like, would I go out and pay that for it? No, because I can get Dr. Teal's for like $6, but that's cool. And now the stuff that everyone got. First up, we all got a makeup eraser. I love makeup eraser. I use these every night to take off my makeup. They're thebomb.com. They retail for $20. I get mine on sale at TJ Maxx when I buy them, but still, I'm always happy to have another one of these, so that's dope. And then I think we all got, did we all get one of these? Yeah, a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. The retail is $23, and I'm excited to try this. My hair needs fucking Jesus. It needs all the help, all the love. It's frizzy. Yeah, I'll try this. Cool. And then the last thing, it was like an either or. There were two things, and I guess two, you could have got one or the other. How about that? That's an easier way to say it. I got the Cuccio, I got the Cuccio, I don't really know. Yoga, Calm and Clean. What is this? It's a hand soap and body wash. So this is not my kind of product, but you just leave it in the shower, I guess. You know what, coming from someone who has anxiety and depression, maybe I do need to calm the fuck down. This might not be the worst thing for me. I'll try it. Ooh, lavender. I'm not a big lavender fan. The experience. I bet. What the fuck? This retails for $39.95. In what world? Okay, whatever. I'll try it. So my box was $45. Let's see if I get there value-wise. This is not something I'd buy. I'll put the $5. Put it at $5. Makeup eraser I can get at TJ Maxx for $7, so we'll put that at $7. So we're at $12. I can get Dr. Teal's for $6, so put this at $6. So we're at $18. We'll put this Dry Bar spray at $10, so we're at $28. We'll put this stupid fucking bracelet at $0. Still at $28. Slippers for $5. I mean, I would not pay more than $5 for a pair of slippers. Maybe I would never find any slippers for that, but that's fine. I don't need them. So we're at $33 value. What else? This Beauty Bakery palette, I'm not going to use it, but I'm not going to say it's worthless. I'll put $10 on it. So what is that? 43? And then there's this, which I don't know that I would buy. I'll put it at $10, 43, 53. Okay, so I did get the value of my box, technically, but none of these are things I would have gone out and bought full price, probably even at that discount I was talking about, except for makeup eraser. Like, I buy those for $7 all the time when I see them. So that's cool, but other than that, this box is worthless. So why do I keep buying FabFitFun boxes? I don't know. The summer ones are usually good. I just need to stick to the summer. This one sucks. But I do enjoy shopping the add-on sales. So let's jump into that. So this is truly, if you aren't a member, have never been a member, a few days before like your selection, what do they call it? A few days before you can pick like the shit you want in your box. Customization, that's what it is. They have an add-on sale. And it's basically shit you can add on to your box for, you know, whatever amount. Usually it's anywhere from 20 to like 70% off retail, so you can get some awesome shit for cheap. There's fab items, there's fit items, there's fun items. There's all kinds of stuff. So first up, I can't believe I did this. I got 4 sponge gels. I love sponge gels. I've talked about them before on here. So I got 2 in the scent Tobacco Vanilla. Bitch. Ooh, that smells good. It's like a sexy, musky vanilla. Okay. And I think I got all these for $5 each. I think they're normally like anywhere from 14 to 20. I don't really know. This is Moonflower. It's like a citrusy, floral kind of scent. That's really nice. And then this one is Night Jasmine. Ooh, that's sexy too. It smells good. It's like a sexy flower. Yeah, those are good. And then I got this Korez Wild Rose Vitamin C Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizer. Korez is a good skincare brand, and this was really cheap. I think it was less than 10 bucks when it's normally a lot more than that. Ooh, it smells like roses. Okay, that's cool. I need more skincare, like I need a fucking hole in the head, but that's cool. I mean, I picked it out. Ooh, then I got the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. So fun fact, usually when I cut my jawbones with powder, I use this bad boy right here. And I got this for $5 in the add-on sale, and it's usually a lot more, like 20-ish. So I'm excited to have this. The only thing about this is that if I leave it bake for too long, it can give me a little bit of flashback, so I have to be careful with it, but it's really good. There was this awesome Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, lipstick duo. The shades are Tawny and Dune. Oh, whoa. So Tawny's like an orangey deeper nude, and then more of like a brown nude. Oh shit, this one's Tawny, this one's Dune. Whatever, I'll wear them both. I love this formula. It's a really good, they're really creamy, and happy to add these two to my collection if I could fucking hold them. And I think they were like $9 for both. Yeah, that sounds right. I don't remember. Oh. This is random. This must have been a free gift. I didn't order this. They do like if you spend over X amount of money, there's usually like a free gift. This is Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Shampoo. Maybe my husband will like it. I don't know. I don't wash my hair with shampoo. I use conditioner. So whatever. I gotta unwrap this. Hold on. Okay, so remember how I said that the blanket was a choice? I did say that. So Unhide for Love. Not what? Oh, Unhide Little Marshmallow. Stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket. Retails for $65. And what I must have chose it as like a second option and the slippers somehow. I probably just meant to do this and I hit the slippers. I don't know. But I got this blanket too. $65, that's a stretch. I mean, don't get me wrong. Whew, it's really soft and cozy. That's nice. Oh, she sheds. Oh, she sheds like a dog. Oh my God, I look like I have cat fur everywhere. Oh God. The size is really nice though. I just hit myself in the face. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. Oh, ugh. Oh, it's everywhere. Okay. All right, you guys, that was it. I'm done. I'm done with this. I got fur everywhere. I gotta go. Do you get FabFitFun? And if so, let me know what you got in your box below. What did you choose? Did we choose the same things? Did you take advantage of the add-on sale? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.